Hello guys, it's time for learning, and right now we shall be learning the subtraction of unlike fractions. Now let's solve this example for better understanding. I'll be solving this question 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6 using two methods. The first method is I'll make use of equivalent fraction by making the denominators of this fraction to become the same. We have two fractions here, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6. So I'll make the denominators of these fractions to become the same. And what I'll do is, I'll write the first fraction out, which is 3 over 4, and multiply this numerator and this denominator with the denominator of this second fraction. So 3 over 4, the first fraction, I've written it out. I'll multiply the numerator and the denominator with the denominator of the second fraction. And that is exactly what I've done here. 3 times 4, 3 times 6 will be 18, 4 times 6, 24. And this is for the first fraction. So for the second fraction too, I'll write the second fraction out. After writing the second fraction out, I'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator of the first fraction. And this is it here. I multiplied the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction, just as we did here. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, 6 times 4 is 24. The aim is to make the denominators the same, just like we have here. The denominators are the same, so that I can easily subtract. So back to the question, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6. This is the question, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6. This 3 over 4 will replace 18 over 24, while 1 over 6 will be 4 over 24. As you can see here, this 3 over 4 is this 18 over 24, it has replaced it. 1 over 6 is this 4 over 24, it has replaced this. And 18 minus 4 equals 14. Since they both have the same denominator, just pick one out of the denominators. And my final answer, my answer is 14 over 24. But in fraction, you always make your answer in lowest term, simplest form. That's look for the number that can divide the numerator and divide the denominator and use to divide. And here I'm going to make use of 2. So I made use of 2 in 14, 7, 2 in 24, 12. So my final answer is 7 over 12. And for the second method, I'll look for the LCM of these denominators, 4 and 6. I'll look for the LCM of this fraction's denominators. And how can I achieve my aim? I'll do this by using the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6, meaning I'll count in 4 and I'll count in 6. Now, here, the LCM of 4 and 6, I'll look for the common multiples, the first common numbers, and that is 12 here, and we have 12 here. So the LCM will be 12 because we have it as the first common multiples here. Okay, my LCM is 12, that is the common multiples for these numbers. So I'll write my LCM out and I'll rule over it. I'll go back to the question, which is 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6. This LCM that I've gotten, which is 12, I'll divide it by the denominator of the first fraction, 12 divided by 4. And 12 divided by 4 give 3. So this is the answer that I've gotten. I'm not going to write it yet. This answer that I've gotten, which is 3, I'll multiply it with the numerator of this fraction. That's 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9. I'll put my subtraction sign. To the second fraction, this LCM 12 divided by the denominator of the second fraction, which is 6. And 12 divided by 6, my answer is 2. This answer that I've gotten here, I'll multiply it with the numerator of the second fraction. That's 2 times 1. And my answer is 2. And here we are, 9 minus 2 equals 7 over the LCM, which is 12. So my answer is 7/12. You can see that we arrived at the same answer. Was this helpful? Please stay connected for more educational and insightful content. Like, share, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.